Take 2. Family interruptions. Okay, just put them on the outer thing and the inner thing. Just go like that. But you may be wondering to yourself, oh no, it's too loose. That's why you get this. And you just... And so it should be like that. Right, with that white thing we put in there. Like that. And now, why does it feel like I'm missing something? Oh my god, my gun is crooked. Okay, so, now, you know what it's time for? A clip. But, I got some news for you. Just look at it very carefully. I ran out of orange things. I ran out of those. The orange thing. So I gotta go to the store and get more. But there's supper on the stove. Okay. Anyway, getting a little sidetracked. Just, you get that gray thing. You put it in the center of both. And you get the white. It would kind of go like that, and letting you know it hurts your thumb trying to put it on, but there's a technique. You kind of put it on your leg like that. You just push on the rounded edge so it doesn't hurt your thumb as much. You put yellow, green, orange, white. I got hair in my eye. There we go. I got hair out of my eye. And then and then if you want to put it in, you put the yellow towards your that, and then you should also hear a little click. You got yourself a gun. And you could put like modifications on it, like I did there. I got like a scope. Oh, that's a light. See, look at that scope. Where's my camera? Pew pew. And yeah, that's it for now. If you want to see more guns being made, I know what we're missing. I took these off, but I didn't put them back on. Doofus. Okay, just put them like that. So that goes there. And then, oh, this is in such an awkward position. That just connects right about there. And bam, you got it on. Nice magic. Am I right? And the clip can come in and out with simple ease. Well, that's it for now. I don't think I forgot anything. If I did, I'd have a part 2 video of what I missed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, or I almost said subscribe twice. Thumbs up, share. Yeah, my goal for subscribers is 100. If you could get me to that